4 reasons why hardwood floors are unmatched. Number 1. There's nothing like it. Hardwood is simply what some people want, and when that is the case, there's simply nothing that matches the real thing. Number 2. It's customizable to any taste. From staining, painting, to adding your logo, hardwood flooring opens the door to uniqueness. Number 3. It's a lifetime floor. Hardwood is durable when it comes to stains and discolorations, and repairs are also feasible. Number 4. It adds value to a home. Just ask any realtor and they will tell you people love hardwood floors. Professional installed floors is your choice for hardwood floors. Come by our Marietta showroom or we'll come to you. 770-627-4343. Lee at proinstalledfloors.com. proinstalledfloors.com.